Hey everybody, it's Chris and Brenda here from Chris Holm & Associates at Remax Vernon. We're here in the beautiful sunshine today at Skyline Ridge, this excellent adult community. We're here in Enderby, BC. You can see the stunning Enderby cliffs in behind us here. It's so gorgeous out today. We've got a unit in here for sale, number 32, and we're going to take you inside and show you all about it. Brenda, the thing I really noticed when we first come in this living room is all the really nice bright natural light in here. We've got the huge patio doors taking out to that backyard. A little skylight up here, letting some extra light in.
I also like that they made this cutout here to the kitchen so that the light can carry through.
Yeah, it keeps the kitchen nice and bright. I also really like the little gas fireplace here. It keeps you nice and cozy in the wintertime.
Perfect. I can see my toes up there.
Yeah, totally. Let's go check out the kitchen.
You bet.
The layout of this house is so functional. It's really great. It's all spread over one level. Got this cozy little kitchen here right off your dining area. Natural light coming in from a second skylight here in the kitchen. You got your window over the kitchen sink, and then all that light coming from the back through that nice little opening.
Nice update with the backsplash and the countertops too. The mosaic and the travertine look, and a nice rounded finish on the arborite.
Yeah, I could see sitting in here having a little coffee first thing in the morning. It's really
Absolutely.
great.
Yeah. Great master bedroom. First time I was in this home, Chris, the thing that really shocked me was that walk-in closet. I totally didn't expect that.
Yeah, it's a really good size, and it's so convenient that it's right through the three-piece ensuite there.
And nice security bars, safety first.
That's right.
This room can fit any size of bed, any sleeping configuration anyone wants, and great big window, nice view to the backyard.
Yeah, it's a
peaceful.
Really great master bedroom.
Peaceful. Yeah. Centrally located.
The laundry. Great spot for it. All right, so then we've got the utility room here with lots of extra storage.
Man, this hot water tank is huge.
Thank you. Got a 3.5-foot crawl space in here as well. Lots of room to store all your Christmas stuff. I really like the layout of this home. I like that they've got the second bedroom at the front of the house, and they've got their own full bathroom up here as well, just off the kitchen. Really great if you have guests over.
And very convenient for everyday living. Ooh, come and look at this. From the front bedroom, you can totally see the Enderby cliffs. And I can imagine what the sunset bouncing off that's gonna look just amazing.
This is a beautiful day today. What do you think of this backyard?
I really like the fact that it's got this covered portion, which is gonna be really important in Okanagan summers.
Yes.
And just enough grass for your pets, a little bit of garden space, nicely fenced.
RV parking.
Awesome.
Yeah. I like that they called this place Skyline Ridge. Look at the skyline view.
Absolutely. Look at that.
So this is a really common floor plan here in the Okanagan. They've built a lot of this similar style of townhouse. And what I've seen some of our clients do before is actually take out this wall and they put a really nice big eating bar in this space, a couple of sconces up above. It really opens the space right up.
You know, when you say that, I can suddenly see this being very, very modern. With a change in lighting and an updated paint color, eating bar wouldn't take much and you'd be like very current.
You could add some really nice value to this property.
Definitely.